This Delta Tau data system 603205-102, which is a member of the PMAC series of boards, came from a major wafer fab for repair. We developed a full test of this system as shown in the video after the repair, which involves testing all the various inputs and output ports. This full test has enabled ERD to work on any of the PMAC boards, not just the original version of the PMAC. This board had a shorted custom processor, which we repaired prior to this test, and the board worked flawlessly after this repair. At ERD, we work on a broad range of input and output boards, many of which do not need the level of testing as this PMAC system, but we perform what needs to be done to ensure proper operation after our repair, which is one of the reasons why we provide our 3-year warranty.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.